Hello! Today I'm going to cover Tunisian crochet. It's one of my favorite crochet stitches to do. There's multiple stitches, but it's my favorite crochet technique, I guess you could say. What we're going to do is we're going to put all of the stitches on the hook, and then we'll work a return pass where we'll remove all of the stitches. So I like to start by sticking the hook in the back loops here, because I feel that this gives it a very nice edge, but it's totally up to you. So what we'll do is we'll skip the first chain and we'll stick the hook in the second chain from the hook, and we're just working a basic foundation row. So we're just going to pull up a loop, and then we'll go into the next chain and we'll pull up a loop, and then the next chain and we'll pull up a loop, and then the next chain and we'll pull up a loop, the next chain we'll pull up a loop, and then the final chain we will pull up a loop. And so now we have all our stitches on our hook, and so now we're going to work the return pass. So that was the forward pass, and this is the return pass. And we're going to yarn over and pull through one. And then for the rest of them, we'll be yarning over and pulling through two. So then we're going to yarn over and pull through two, yarn over and pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and yarn over and pull through two. And that is our foundation row in Tunisian crochet.